Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this simple shake video effects in CapCut PC. You can start by adding the audio in here. So I'm going to edit a video of car, and after that you can add a footage that you want to. For example, in here to start, I'm going to add a footage, this one at the start. Okay, I'm going to split in here the footage, also the audio of the first clip, and I'm going to move it in here. Now you can just add the rest of the footage that you want to edit in here. Okay, I'm going to add this one also, and this one. So after that you can just click on the second audio or second music, and then go to the beats. So click on this mark beats and choose a beats 2, and after that you can just trim your music, trim your footage based on the marks of the beats. This one you can just trim. I'm going to just go with the second bit, so you can just trim it like this, your footages, the last one in here. Okay, so now let's delete the rest of them, and you can just click on the first footage in here and go to animations, combo, and add the sway out animations. Let's find the sway out, this one. Click on this and you can see that's the result. And for the second and the rest of the clips, you just need to click on it, go to the in animations and add the shake to animations, this one. Okay, so right click on it, click on copy attributes and select the rest of the clips just like this. Right click and choose paste attributes, paste it, and that's it. This will be the shake effect. This one will be sway out, and the rest of them. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.